Hi, everybody. I want to welcome everybody to the 2020 product review. This is taking place in place of our trade shows this year. So we're highlighting some of our top products that we have found that have worked throughout this year. Just some kind of housekeeping. We put everybody on mute, and we're going to have a Q&A at the end. So answer all those questions you might have. My name is Amanda Smith, and I'm a product manager here at MacTac for our graphics line. And Ross, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Ross Burnham, Senior Marketing Manager for the Distribution Products team here at MacTac. Today, Amanda and I are recording this from our Stowe, Ohio, North American headquarters for MacTac, and I'd like to welcome you and thank you for joining us. We had the opportunity to work on a video production, and our friends at the bistro on Main in Kent, Ohio, would like to thank very much for helping us make this video. So with no further ado, we'll get into it.
Hi, I'm Ross.
And I'm Amanda. Today we're going to be walking you through some wall, window, and floor applications featuring media and over laminates.
Keeping your business top of mind is more important than ever, and wide format graphics is one way to provide clear and creative messaging about your business.
MacTac has been supplying graphic media for over 60 years. We know what it takes to make a good-looking graphic durable and safe.
But one product doesn't do it all. You have to consider the application surface, how long the graphic is intended to stay, and the environment where it's located. Different surfaces have different adhesion requirements.
Ross and I will visit a local restaurant to install new graphics throughout the venue, including COVID-19 messaging. While we're doing installs, we're going to point out some key things you need to consider.
So please sit back and relax while we show you firsthand how to get your message across with wall, window, and floor graphics.
MacTac's versatile window graphics add dimension, aesthetic appeal, privacy screening, and more. Here, we are using Mdot Gloss Clear on both windows and walls. It has a unique, custom-engineered dot pattern, removable adhesive that makes the application fast and easy.
Mdot is a 4.7mm PVC film available in gloss clear or matte white finishes. Mdot Clear features excellent transparency and good printability on UV, latex, solvent, and eco-solvent inkjet printers. And remember, no tools needed when installing. Anybody can do it. Volunteers, restaurant staff, business owners, and retail associates.
To promote temporary events, we are using Imagine Wall Noodle, which is known as the industry's first and best wall mural and poster solution. Wall Noodle is a 6mm semi-rigid matte white vinyl designed for repositionable and removable graphics. It's recommended you do not use an over laminate.
We offer 3 products in our Oodle line, and it's important to choose the best wall graphic media that meets your needs. Roodle is an aggressive removable, perfect for tiled wall murals, indoor and outdoor signage, bumper stickers, and graphics. Wall Noodle is designed to be repositionable and removable for wall posters, decals, and stickers. Permanent Wall Noodle is ideal for barrier graphics and other signage projects where a thick, easy to apply product is required.
Trust Perma high-performance mounting products for your sign and graphic assembly applications. Featuring permanent high-shear adhesives, Perma is available in durable double-coated white foam tapes, high-tack transfer adhesives, and double-coated film tapes. Assemble projects to various substrates, including hard-to-stick-to surfaces, UV-cured ink sets, low VOC painted walls, and more.
Indoors or out, MacTac has your floor applications covered. The highly durable 13.5mm outdoor street track sidewalk and floor graphic media is slip resistant and requires no laminate. It is top coated with a proprietary non-skid grit that delivers clean lines and sharp images for high volume foot traffic on both dry and wet surfaces. Apply on unsealed concrete and asphalt surfaces only. So just print and stick, and you're ready to move on to the next application.
Next, we are applying graphics to short, commercial type carpeting. We are using Imagine JT5828 HTO, which has an aggressive adhesive that sticks securely to carpet but removes cleanly when the graphic is removed, leaving no adhesive residue behind. HTO is laminated with Permacolor PF6454 textured laminate for slip resistance.
Durable, reliable, and eye-catching, floor graphics come in every size, shape, and color. To transform flat, smooth floors like tile, Mdot Floor is ideal for short-term indoor use, and no laminate needed. The perfect go-to print media for social distancing, directional signage, promotion advertising, and customer greeting messaging. No matter who's installing, graphic printer, sales associate, or volunteer. No experience needed, just print and apply.
Get peace of mind with Permaguard Shield antimicrobial over laminates. Designed to help protect high-touch areas and graphic images, applications include restaurant tabletops, ATMs, touchscreens, door handles, countertops, and school desks. The possibilities are endless. Russ and I just showed you a few ways you can create new branding opportunities for any business.
For the best results, use the right print media for your specific application. Mdot for walls, window, and interior tile or ceramic flooring. Wall Noodle for repositionable and removable wall posters, decals, and stickers. Perma-Hold mounting tapes for sign and graphic assembly applications. JT5828 HTO for indoor carpeting, and add an over laminate like our PF6454 for slip resistance. Street Tracks for outdoor short-term sidewalk, concrete, and asphalt floor graphics. Permaguard Shield antimicrobial over laminates to protect high-touch areas and graphic images.
MacTac has a skilled sales team ready to help you with your next project.
If you need product performance guides or a technical assistance sheet that includes specific instructions on how to correctly prep, install, and ship graphics, please visit our website at mactac.com/graphics. You will also find a library of recorded webinars and other videos to help you select and apply graphic materials.
Thanks for watching, and remember, stay sticky, my friends.
Well, we want to take you through those products one more time in case you kind of missed a detail here and there. So the first one is our high-tack JT58 high-tack adhesive that sticks to commercial low-pile carpet and other hard-to-stick-to surfaces. It's a 3.7 mil intermediate media, and what the great thing about that is it has a high-tack adhesive, but it also removes cleanly. You'll want to pair that with a anti-slip laminate. So we suggest using a 3.7 mil our PF6400 series. This is for low traffic areas, and it's a great laminate for indoor applications. Ross?
Thanks, Amanda. The next product we're going to go through is a new product that we introduced this year called Mdot Floor. Mdot Floor is a 7.9 mil vinyl print media that is actually a multi-print media, meaning that solvent, eco-solvent, latex, UV roll, and UV gel presses can be utilized. It has a unique textured surface, which allows for no lamination to be needed. So simply print and apply your graphic indoors. Works very well on hard surfaces such as finished concrete, tile, and wood.
Another product we'd like to review, and I'm sure you've all seen these probably in big box stores and outside graphics, is our Street Tracks. It's a 13.5 mil safety grit coated white opaque film. It has a high tack permanent adhesive for those hard to stick to surfaces and unsealed concrete in your asphalt applications. This is great to use for 3 months to 1 year, and it can go on solvent, latex, UV, and UV gel.
Thanks, Amanda. We have 2 additional Mdot products to share with you. These were also introduced in 2020, our Mdot Clear and our Mdot White. Similar to Mdot Floor, there is a unique clear adhesive pattern that's removable on the back of the print media. Same type of multi-print media as the Mdot Floor. The Mdot White is a matte surface, and the Mdot Clear is a gloss surface. These are used for window graphics as well as wall graphics. A lot of customers have had great success replacing their static cling materials with our new Mdot print media. Again, no laminate is required. These are short-term promotional, up to 1 year indoor application. And very, very simple for anybody to install. No professional applicator is required for an Mdot product.
Next, we have one of my favorite graphic products in the MacTech line is our Oodle. We showed you today the Wall Noodle, which is an ultra removable adhesive, but we have two other in the line. Rudel, which is your aggressive removable adhesive. So it's a semi-permanent application, and then Poodle, which is our strongest and permanent application. These are used a 90-pound super flat release liner. So it's great for roll-to-roll or flatbread printers. And it also makes an easy install. And that 6 mil semi-rigid feedstock also gives you an easy tear down.
Very good. One of the other things that we wanted to bring to your attention is that MacTech has a full line of products for floor, window, and wall applications in a good, better, best environment. Some of the products that we went through today are just a short sampling of those products. Another line that we introduced in 2020 was our Perma mounting and bonding tapes line. MacTech has an industrial tape division that we pulled some of the best products out of to include in our Perma line. This includes double-coated foam tapes, free films, and double-coat acrylic mounting adhesives. The free films are 2 mil and 4 mil UV cured acrylic in our facility, as well as the double-coat acrylic is also UV cured. We have a clear carrier and an opaque carrier that can be utilized on UV direct-to-board prints to back up the white point for the 4-color CYMK. Also on the foam tapes, we're utilizing a unique adhesive that works fantastic on low surface energy plastics, as well as zero VOC painted drywall. So for those applications where you're putting up ADA signage and having a tough time getting it to stick, look at Perma to help you out.
And finally, we have our Permacolor Permaguard Shield over Laminate. It's an antimicrobial surface protection laminate. So we're going to have two products coming out. It's going to be a permanent print protection, a laminate, or removable for your surface protections. We're excited to launch this in Q1 of 2021.
Closing up, we wanted to share with you some additional resources that are available for you when you're looking at MacTech for your next application for floors, windows, walls, and signage. We have several videos that have been uploaded to our YouTube channel, which is under MacTech_NA for North America. There you'll find great tips and selection pointers in regards to selecting the right products and making sure your install goes as smooth as possible.
And I just want to point out, the video you just watched is actually on that YouTube page. So if you want to share it with your customers and kind of show off some of the products you saw before ordering, that's a good way to show.
Sounds good. We also have on mactech.com/graphics additional resources, including product performance guides, technical advisory sheets, and ICC profiles for all of our products. But more importantly, we have to help you guys out is our dedicated MacTech sales force that can help you with your next graphic project for floor, window, wall, signage applications. There's a lot of different products to choose from. Let us help you select the right product for your next project. The other thing that the sales team will help you do too is find local stocking distributors that can help you with just in time for your project.
And I want to thank everyone for joining us today, taking 30 minutes out of their day and kind of explore some MacTech products with us. But if you have any questions, now is your time to give us a text in that text window. Let us know what you think, what you're thinking about. And I think we have, I'll get us started with our first question. Can Mdot Floor be used on other surfaces like walls?
So Mdot Floor is that textured, thicker material that has a finish on it that is great for multiple surfaces. So yes, it can be used on walls because the adhesive is a removable. And one of the benefits of having that texture is that it knocks down the light in the room as well as hides fingerprints. So good application.
All right, let's try another question, Ross.
Right.
I see that there is now Street Tracks version 2. What is the difference between version 1 and version 2?
We developed version 2 on the Street Tracks with a 90-pound super flat liner. We've had feedback from the field that with a lot of our other products, whether it be our Rebel line or our Oodle line, the Roodles, the wall noodles, etc., that a 90-pound super lay flat liner is a lot more beneficial in the field for the installers. So it will process better and take the heat better through your equipment, but also when it comes out in the field, it'll be able to peel off the release liner in one piece as opposed to it tearing. No difference in regards to the surface of the street tracks, so you should be good to go with the profiles that are out there.
Okay. All right, let's try another one.
Yeah.
All right, does your foam mounting tape come in different widths?
Yes, so on the Perma Hold line, we came out with some of the most popular sizes for the foam mounting tapes.
Yeah.
We have a 1/32 inch thick white polyethylene and a 1/16 inch white polyethylene. They are converted into 1/2 inch wide and 1 inch wide rolls, and they're case packed for distribution. If you have a special project, we can do a finish to order for basically any size that you're looking for. So please reach out. These come out of 60-inch logs, and we'd be more than happy to work with you on your next project.
All right, you know what? This will be our last question, I think,
Okay.
Ross. Are you well positioned with inventory for products discussed in this presentation? Sounds like a toilet paper.
Yes, as you may be aware, this was a fantastic year for floor graphics, and we were stressed out a little bit on inventory, but we have completely refilled our shelves, and our distributors have stocked their shelves as well with all of our popular products for floors, windows, and walls. So we're in great shape.
Yeah. Well, that concludes our questions. And again, I would like from everybody at MacTech, thank you for joining us today, using our products, and working with us.
Thanks, Amanda, and thank you for joining us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.